Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pragyan Padhan, your Indian Kinfluencer, bringing you all about Korean related videos. So this monthly mission topic is Meot of Korea, which means stylishness, elegance and charm. I have already made a video on this topic, let's have a watch and let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to unbox some Korean inspired or I can say Korean drama inspired and K variety sauce inspired products I ordered recently. So let's unbox those products. So friends, that's all for today. And please let me know which one you like the most and any other product that I should try. Please comment down below. Thank you so much friends for watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss my videos and comment below your thoughts. Bye.